Here we're going to look at question 76 from the IMAT 2011 paper. So in this question we're told that we have two boxes A and B, and that in box A we initially have 4 stars and 2 hearts, and in box B we have 2 stars and 1 heart. So what the question says is that a shape is taken from A at random and put into B, and then a shape is removed from box B, and the question asks us what is the probability that this shape taken from B at the end is a star. So if you'd like to have a go at doing this question yourself, then please pause the video now, otherwise we'll have a go at doing it together. So to try and answer this question, we need to think about what's actually happening, or what can happen for us to finally take a star out of this final box. Basically we have 2 scenarios. Now the reason we have 2 scenarios is because we take a shape from A and we put it into B first, and then we take a star out. So there are 2 different shapes we could take from A. We could take either a star or a heart. So let's say our first scenario is going to be that a star is taken from A and then put into B, and then a star is removed from B. Or we could take one of the hearts from A, put that into B, and then have a star removed from B. So to find our answer of the probability of a star being taken, we need to find the total probability of these 2 events occurring. So let's think first of all about this first scenario, and the probability that a star is taken from A and put into B. Well, since there's 4 stars in here and a total of 6 shapes, the probability of this happening is just going to be 4 over 6. Then the probability of a star being removed from B is going to be given by 3 over 4, since we have 3 stars in total. Or we will do once one star has been taken over here, and we'll have a total of 4 shapes. If we look at our second scenario, then the probability a heart is taken from B is just going to be 2 over 6, since we have 2 hearts and 6 shapes in total. And then for a star to be removed, we're going to have 2 stars out of a total of 4 objects, so the probability will be 2 over 4. Overall then, we can try and find our total probability by finding the probability of each of these different scenarios, which of course we can just do by multiplying the probability of each event in the scenario and adding these 2 scenarios together. So let's try and cancel this fraction down a bit. Well, we can cancel out our 4's first of all from this first fraction, leaving us with 3 over 6. And if we look at our second part, we see that 2 over 6 is going to cancel to a third, and 2 over 4 will cancel to a half. So this is the same as 3 over 6, or a half, plus a third multiplied by a half, which is just 1 over 6. Then we can see that this probability is going to be the same as 6 over 4, or 2/3. This is going to be our final answer, and it's going to correspond to C, which we're given in the question.